A y-intercept is the point where a graph touches the y-axis. So when we're looking for the y-intercept, we want to look at the y-axis, this vertical line right here. The equation for this line is x equals 0, and that's because every single coordinate on this line has an x value of 0. So we're going to go down until we see where our graph intersects the y-axis, and that's right here at 0, negative 1.5. And we're going to write that as a coordinate. Over here, we're going to look at the y-axis, go down until we see the intersection, and that's at 0, negative 4. For this example, it's in between these two values. So on the y-axis, our intervals are going by 2's. So our y-intercept is between negative 4 and negative 6. Halfway between that is negative 5. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 5. For this problem, we see that the y-intercept is here at 0, 9, because we have a closed circle here. If you had an open circle, then you wouldn't have a y-intercept. But since you do have that closed circle, the y-intercept is 0, 9. For this last problem, we have a real-life situation. This graph is representing the manufacturing costs that are estimated for X items that are going to be made. So we're going to look right here, and we see the y-intercept is at 0, 1,500. What does this mean about the problem? Well, X represents the items that are made, right? And so 0 items are made, and the cost is $1,500. You might be asking, well, why are you spending money? Like, why does it cost something to make no items? Well, you might have to pay like wages for the people making the items. You need supplies for it. And so there might be these other costs that go in to just having the items ready to be prepared. So don't forget that y-intercepts are points on the y-axis. That's where your graph touches the y-axis. It can be where your graph crosses it. And you always want to write it as a coordinate where the x value is 0.